Hi folks, this is Murtuza here, and in this video I'll be showing you the benefits of having this kind of system in place, and the benefit if you decide to work with me to help you to set up this kind of service using my done for you service. And basically, if you want more information about the done for you service where I will personally help you to execute this entire business model, click on the link right below and I'll give you more details about the done for you service which I have created. It's one of my brand new service which I have set up. Okay, so in the previous videos I had shown you how the entire process works, okay, how the entire process of any business works, and it is extremely important that you get this process right in your mind so that you know exactly what you will be doing to build your online business from scratch. Okay, so basically what we did is that if you have not seen my previous videos, make sure you see it, because that will give you more information about this done for you service and the kind of process that the visitor flows through till the end so that you get the best conversion out of it. Okay, so basically what happens is that if you use the systems formula, if you remember the systems formula that I have shown you, there are 4 steps to create the system, to set up a system. That is creating system, that is the first step. Second is testing the system. Third is increasing the speed of the system, and fourth is reinvesting profits. Okay, so what I have done for you, what I have shown you right now is that if you do all this, you have created the system. This is the same system that works on my website and my client's website, as well as I install the same system on multi-million-dollar clients whom I work with. Okay, so basically what I want to tell you is that this is the exact system that I'll be installing on your website. We'll be installing on your website. Okay, and we'll be training you how the system works and exactly how this system will take your visitor from start to finish, from visiting your website to getting converted to buy your products and services. Okay, and this system works in any niche. Okay, whether you are in golf niche, weight loss niche, or some sports niche, any niche you are in, skincare niche, hair care niche, any niche, it does not matter. This exact system works in every niche and it gives excellent conversions. Okay, so basically if you follow the systems formula, okay, to build a very scalable and profitable business, you have done the first step. Okay, create the system. Okay, you have created the system, all the components of the system are in place, you have created everything, squeeze page, videos, articles, you have a silo structure, you have links pointing to your website, you have traffic coming in, you have a blog, sales funnel, list, subscribers, everything you have. So you have completed the first step, that is creating the system. Then second step is testing the system, and I had created a video where I had shown you how to take your website from non-profitability stage to break-even stage. Okay, break-even stage, non-profitability means if you're putting $500, $1,000 per month marketing on your website, you are making, let's say, $500. So you are still on the non-profitability stage. Break-even stage simply means that you're putting $1,000, you're getting back $1,000. So that's break-even stage. And when you're on the break-even stage, it is actually very good. It's very successful. It's a very positive sign that you are on the track. And then it comes the profitability stage. That is when you're putting $1,000 into your system, you're getting back $2,000. Okay, so that is the profitability stage. And in my past video, I had covered up how to take your website from non-profitability to profitability stage, how to test each and every component of your system, okay, using the tracking system that you have installed. And then I showed you all the ways that you can use, all the techniques that you can do to actually take your website from year to year. Okay, so these are the steps, these are the kind of trainings which we will be giving you in the done for you service, where we will be showing you how to take your website from zero to the profitability stage. Okay, so from the non-profitability to the profitability stage. So this is the kind of information which we will be giving you, and we will be helping you out and working with you one-on-one to make sure that your website lands up into the profitability stage. Okay, then the next thing that, and the step 3 of the law of systems is increase the speed of the system. So now that you know that all the components are working excellent, all you have to do is increase the speed of the system. That is, let's say you are focusing on increasing the, oops, this pen is not working, but that's okay. You focus on increasing the product line of your website. Okay, so that's absolutely fine. What you can do is get more sales funnel created, get more products created, Okay, so when you do this, when you have more products, you have increased the speed of the system. And now that you have money, you can reinvest your profits. That is the step 4 of the system. Reinvest your profits to create more products. Okay, so you can actually hire experts to create products for you. You can buy rights of some excellent products, okay, that can actually help you to increase your product sales. Okay, so you can increase the speed of the system by reinvesting your money back in creating more products. You can get people to create to get and review affiliate products for you. That will increase the speed of the system. Get more content, videos and articles created for you. That will increase the speed of the system. Then you can actually go about creating more squeeze pages on your website. That will increase the speed of the system. Then you can actually write more articles on your website. Okay, get more articles written out here in your silo structure and get more articles written out here for submission. Okay, so you get more links to your website, and you can outsource all this process because now you have profits coming in your online business. Okay, and let's say if you have tested out that one article is making you $10 per month. Okay, so all you have to do is start and write 1,000 articles. You'll make $10,000 per month. Okay, and this is the kind of approach you have to take to increase the speed of your business. Okay, let's say one product in your funnel, one sales funnel is making you, let's say, approximately $20 per subscriber. So increase the speed. Make sure that you get 5 sales funnels in place, so that you have increased the speed of the system. And you can use the step 4, that is reinvesting the profits back into each and every of these components. Okay, so you can make let's say you're making $1,000 per month net profit. You can invest back $300 into your system, and the first month, let's say $300 you can put in writing more articles for your blog. Then the next month you can put money in creating more articles and getting them submitted. The next month you can actually put money in creating more products. Okay, you can put money in creating more content, emails and articles for you. So, and you can again put money in getting more traffic to your website. Okay, you can put money in paid advertisement like Google AdWords and Facebook advertising and media buying and all this stuff. Okay, so you can have more channels of you can have more channels open to drive traffic to your website. So with this, when all these 4 steps of systems, that is creating, testing, increasing the speed and reinvesting profit, when you execute all of them, you have a machine that will keep generating profits for you without you working hard. Okay, because people will be working for you. You will be outsourcing more stuff. There will be freelancers, employees working for you, and you will have all the systems and machines like autoresponders, tracking systems, your websites working for you. Okay, so this is the kind of approach I want you to take, and we are there to help you out to build this system for you. Okay, just click on the link right below and I'll be giving you a complete presentation as to how we will go about building a complete online business for you from scratch. And we will be writing 100 articles for you that will go within your blog as well as your link building system, and all these systems that I've explained you will be created for you. We'll be helping you out to take your website from non-profitability to profitability stage. Plus you will get 12 months of weekly trainings, okay, from us, with homework assignments plus one-on-one email coaching as well as phone coaching and consultation, and all this you will get in one complete package. Okay, one complete done for you service. So click on the link right below this video and you'll get more details on this. And I hope you have got a very thorough understanding of how you can go about building a profitable online business from scratch, from nothing, okay, in any niche you want. And the biggest advantage when you have all this created, okay, the biggest advantage is that you will have confidence. Even if we create the system for you, you will have confidence because you will know exactly what we have done for your website. Okay, so when you have the first website created, it will completely change your habit pattern, your entire mindset towards building an online business. And when you have the first website driving traffic, making sales, you will have the confidence to build this business in multiple niches. Okay, so you can, if you start with skincare niche, you can actually expand and create a product in golf niche and bodybuilding niche. Okay, so you can create your businesses in multiple niches, and the marketing system remains the same. This marketing system remains the same. Okay, you pick up any niche, this system remains the same. All you have to do is pick up a niche and install this entire formula into that niche, and it starts working. Okay, so that is the process that you can use. You can even get clients and give them online marketing services the way I am doing, once you understand how this system works. Okay, so that is again a very profitable business that you can do, and you can approach corporate clients, companies, and you can help them out to build this system, this same marketing platform for them, and it will eventually help to improve their business, their conversions, and you can make some good money and commissions out of that. So this is the approach I have, I want for you. This is something that I want you to do. Okay, and if you want my help to build your online business, I have created all the services and the support for you. Just click on the link below and I'll give you more details. So with this, I'll end up this video, and I hope you have got some great value out of this video, and I wish you all the very best and success, and take care. Goodbye.